In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency on your Shopify store. Changing your store currency is an important setting because it controls the main currency used in your Shopify admin and for your product pricing. Before you make this change, it is a good idea to double-check that the currency you choose matches how you plan to price items and how you want your reports and totals to appear inside Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From there, look for the Settings area. Settings is typically located near the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click into Settings and then use the search field to quickly find the section you need. In that search box, type Store Details and select Store Details from the results. Once you are on the Store Details page, take a moment to scan the page until you find the section labeled Store Currency. You may need to scroll a bit depending on your screen size. This Store Currency field is where you can set the primary currency for your store. When you reach Store Currency, click the drop-down menu. You will see a list of available currencies. Choose the currency you want your store to use. Make sure you select carefully, since this affects how currency values are displayed and managed in your store settings. After you have selected the correct currency from the drop-down, look for the Save button. Click Save to apply the change. Wait a moment to ensure Shopify confirms the update, and avoid navigating away before it finishes saving. As a quick tip, once you save, it is smart to review your storefront and a few products to confirm prices display the way you expect. If you use any apps or theme features that format prices, you may also want to check that everything still looks consistent after the change. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.